the bottom just big enough for me to put 2 more in here. So over the winter, I may
use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Alright, what's your name and what's in here again?
Alright, my name is Tim Hare, and I have 4 Resilient Sounds Platinum 18s on a 6-order wall. This tune's 25 hertz in the rear, 50 up front. It's on 2 MD12Ks, half-moon models, on 90 amp hours of C-Max, and on a single 320 amp Auto-Tech alternator.
Oh, one alternator, okay.
Yep.
Very nice. And you built this?
Yeah, I designed and built everything by myself.
Nice work.
It's got a full wood roof here, 2 layers of 1708 fiberglass up here.
And you didn't slope off. It looks really good.
Yep.
Man.
Thank you, yeah.
And do you know your tunings on this?
Yeah. Yep, 25 in the rear, and this one's tuned 50.
50. Okay, so you have a half an octave between the two.
Yep.
Very good. I like it. Have you done any kind of testing on meter for SPL or tuning peak?
159.3 at 39 hertz. It does
Okay.
a 157.2 at 28, a 156 at 20, a 155.6 at 17. It gets pretty low.
Oh, that's good. Good bandwidth, and it's got low frequency
it's
response.
A 1 1/4 ratio.
Okay.
Yeah,
really good.
Even in it's in like all the way to mid 40s. It's still
Yeah.
like in a 158,
Nice.
high 58.
Man, really good job. I really appreciate the demo. Thank you very much. This is nice. Yes, sir. You're welcome. And I like the way you have the design built.
Thank you.
The only thing I'm curious of is have you tested it all inverting them just for fun?
No, I haven't. I actually built the bottom just big enough for me to put 2 more in here. So over the winter, I may rip this baffle out and move these subs up, angle them in the back, put 2 more.
Oh, okay.
Because it's actually big enough, the bottom wise, just
To make a
it's
6
about-
still.
Yeah.
Wow.
It would. I'd have to overpower them, but
Yeah.
they would be a little bit on the small side, but
Yeah.
about 3.8 cubes per 18.
Yes, sir.
But these subs like the smaller.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Very nice. Awesome. Is the back open?
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope y'all enjoying the video so far. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Let him know what you think about his system. This was at the Fayetteville Ruckus and Chill Show in North Carolina of 2021 for the show. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo in a minute. Just want to say I thank you all for always watching and subscribing to my videos, daily cardio videos. I really like the way he has a layout design to fit 4 18-inch subwoofers, and it was an efficient box. He was playing anything from the mid-teen frequencies up into the 50 hertz frequencies, all in the mid to upper 150 decibel range. So I really appreciate you, Tim, if you're watching. Shout out to you, man, for showing us this system to be able to enjoy sharing to the cardio community on YouTube. So consider subscribing if you haven't already. We got a lot of daily cardio videos to come. I also was enjoying this demo enough to get my wife next to me. She always gets the outside flex. We got a solid hair trick that you're going to enjoy in this video as well. And the amp rack in the back, he was able to get a nice amount of cubic space for the box to where he could barely fit those amps in there. So when that door shuts, it actually barely fits in there. So he optimized his space to utilize as much enclosure space as possible. So that's all I got to say. Let's go ahead and get to this loud bass demo.
Awesome. Oh, yeah, I'm looking forward to this.
This one here is this one's got some pretty nice bandwidth here. This song.
Okay.
Down in the 21 hertz and then up in like near my peak in 30.
Okay.
That's on me, baby. Blocking the keyhole. Heard you rich. I found out people down had to play. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. Hey. Blocking the keyhole. Got you a cushion to fall, with your meal, yeah. That's on me, baby. That bitch call 150, and I'm on 3, baby. Damn, you know what's going on. Stop chasing me, baby. I'm the big dog. You need to flee, baby. Yellow bees in my dog. See how this shit I got on with a splash of expensive cologne. Got a hole in the zone. Slurping the sticks in the hole. Switch up the hit in the home if she want it. It's the trying to see how blocking the keyhole.
Flat response, clean, high teens into probably 50 hertz. Man, really good.
It's in like all the way to mid 40s. It's still
Yeah.
like in a 158,
Nice.
high 58.
Man, really good job. I really appreciate the demo. Thank you very much. This is nice. Yes, sir. You're welcome. And I like the way you have the design.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.